Hello everyone. We're getting ready to learn how to calculate in Microsoft Excel. For this example, I've added in a column K that is vacation hours of workers. Our first worker is on K3 and the last worker is on K17. We want to calculate the total vacation hours of workers starting with K3 and ending on K17. So I'm just going to go to K3 and I'm going to highlight down to K17. And under Home, I'm going to scroll over to Sum. And that's going to give me my calculation of all the workers' vacation hours combined. So I'm just going to click on Sum. It's populated back to K3, which is the first worker. And I'm just going to scroll down and I have my total as 90. There are 90 vacation hours amongst the workers. Now, the second way of calculating the sum would be to just click on column K. This is very important to make sure you're still in the column that you want the totals calculated. And I'm just going to go over to Sum, click once, and it has me as K17 and K18. However, I want the total from the first worker, which is on K3, and the last worker is on K17. And I just click off. And the total is 90. Again, there are 90 vacation hours amongst the workers. And that is how to calculate a total in Microsoft Excel.